This one's interesting. Huawei just dropped something unexpected, a bigger foldable. Meet the Pura X Max. Today, quick unboxing, hands-on, and how it stacks up against the Pura X and the Mate X7. Let's go. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from Techie Street. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. All right, let's get right into the unboxing. Starting with the box, feels almost identical to the Mate X7. Same vibe, same size, just a different color. Open it up. There it is, still a foldable, and yes, the crease is visible. Flip it over, striped glass back, triple cameras, super clean look. In the box, a clear case, 66W charger, clasp, and cables. Solid bundle. Now side by side, Pura X Max, Pura X, Mate X7. Let's talk crease. The two Pura devices are fresh out of the box, the Mate X7, a year old, and it shows. The crease on the newer models is way less noticeable, especially on the Max. Next, thickness. Mate X7 has curved edges. Pura X Max goes flat and sharp. Because of that, the Mate X7 looks slimmer at certain angles. Width-wise, Mate X7 and Pura X are close, but the Max clearly wider, about a finger more. Folded size, this is where things get real. The Pura X is compact, light, easy one-handed. The Max feels bigger. Thinner, yes, but harder to handle with one hand. Smaller hands will notice. Compared to the Mate X7, its narrow body makes it easier to grip. Frames are similar, but the Mate X7 is just slightly thinner. Camera bumps. Pura X Max is a bit more subtle than the Mate X7. Both pack second-gen Hongfeng true color imaging and triple cameras. Powering on? Here's a key difference. On the Pura X, volume buttons sit on top. On the Max, they're on the side, with the power button and fingerprint sensor just below. Feels more standard. Screens on, and now it's obvious. The Pura X is more square, the Max more like a tablet. Also, setup is different. The Pura X forces you to unfold to continue. The Max lets you finish everything right from the outer screen. Way more convenient. Performance, quick and clear. The Pura X runs the 9030 chip. The Max and Mate X7 step it up with the 9030 Pro. That's flagship territory. Finally, display for photos. On the Pura X, you'll see black bars top and bottom in 4x3. On the Max, just a small one at the bottom. Compare that to the Mate X7 and the difference stands out even more. So yeah, the Pura X Max isn't just bigger, it changes how you use a foldable. And that's where things get interesting. Side by side, you instantly feel it. Bigger screen, deeper immersion. It almost feels like you're just holding a display while shooting photos. But here's the catch, it's wider. If you've got smaller hands, you'll notice. You'll need a firmer grip to keep it steady. Now cameras, the Pura X Max matches the Mate X7, 3.5x and 10x zoom. That's serious range. Compared to the regular Pura X, not even close. That one tops out at 5x. So yeah, telephoto here is clearly stronger. Unfold it and everything changes. Out of all three, only the Max gives you that true tablet-like ratio. For gaming, this is sweet, balanced, not too heavy, not too big, just right for longer sessions. And the screen, way bigger than a normal phone. Everything pops more. Scrolling apps like Xiaohongshu, here's where it gets interesting. A lot of content is in 4x3, and on the Max's outer screen, it looks huge, almost full display. It's honestly impressive. Videos too. Even if it's not fully full screen, it still feels much larger than a typical phone. Want more immersion? Just unfold it. Done. It's seamless. Perfect if you love browsing photos and videos. The layout is smart too. Big image on the left, comments on the right. Super easy to use. Now, because of this new screen ratio, Huawei added something new, an AI companion. Double tap the bottom bar while reading and a side panel slides out. It reacts to what you're doing. Ask for a summary, it expands and gives you the key points instantly. Don't want it? Swipe it away. But here's the cool part. It's still running, quietly in the background. You can bring it back anytime. It really feels like a built-in assistant, always ready, never in the way. And that's a quick look at the Pura X Max. More detailed review coming soon. If this caught your eye, hit subscribe and stick around. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.